Hello, welcome back to Ayaanseasymath. Today we are looking at one logical question now. Solve x minus 1 over x root of x plus 1 equal to 4 plus root of x minus 1 over 2 and x value is not equal to 1 now. So here as we are going to solve this problem, pause the video for 10 seconds and try it now. Okay, and also if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and give it a thumbs up. It will appreciate us to make more videos. More than 500 Olympiad and logical problems are uploaded in this channel. Please go through them. Thank you. So first of all, what is given? X minus 1 over root x plus 1 is equal to 4 plus root of x minus 1 over 2. Now here you take x terms to one side, x minus 1 over root x plus 1 minus root x minus 1 over 2 is equal to 4. So if you take LCM, 2 root x plus 1, here you'll get 2 of x minus 1 minus root x minus 1 into root x plus 1 is equal to 4. So here if you open the bracket, 2x minus 2 minus root x whole square minus 1 whole square is equal to 4 into 2 root x plus 2. Sending these terms to that side. So here you'll get 2x minus 2 minus square root cancel x minus 1 is equal to 8 root x plus 8. Now send 8 to this side. 2x minus 2 minus x plus 1 minus 8 equal to 8 root x. So here x minus 9 equal to 8 root x. So squaring on both sides, x minus 9 whole square equal to 8 root x. X square minus 18x plus 81 is equal to 64x. So send all the terms to one side. X square minus 82x plus 81 equal to 0. So x square plus 81x minus x plus 81 equal to 0. X into x minus 81 minus 1 into x minus 81 equal to 0. So x minus 81 into x minus 1 equal to 0. X equal to 1 or 81, but x is not equal to 1 given. And therefore x is equal to 81 is the solution. I hope you understood the video. Thank you for watching Ayaanseasymath Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends.